My people, I don't bring una matter. I know so many of una don't miss this woman well. Yes, so the latest one just happened now. It happened say this woman won't go enroll in Peking for one school like that. When I know this Ajebo school, I want expensive. When she go there and so the school admit, then I say, okay, for us to admit your Peking, you have to come and do an interview, and it has to be both parents. Meaning say she and the husband, I be the father of the Peking, must go to the school and they must do that interview before they go admit the Peking. And now she don't come outside, they blast there. In fact, they no be smart, you know. It be like say the thing enter and well, like if ginger in spirit, if garlic come in season. I mean, why they want disgrace our auntie now? I know they like, no, I know they like all these kind of things. I know they like her. Auntie, hey, wetin happen? Kilo shelle now waiting. I don't just understand something. Who want? See, my people, I go fight too. I go fight. I know they joke with this woman. May nobody just try her. You understand? But wait too. Why you no go with the Oga MC Oluomo? Why you no go with them? Wetin happen? Wait too. I don't start to think anything from my mind at the same time. But make a calm down so that I go release them for una. You understand? It be like say this man leave this woman based on that collection number matter. For now we no remember. You get one time where they go visit wetin be this man named King Oluwo of Iwo. The king, they go visit her. So as they don't go back, now so the king come they hug MC. And he they for the other side. Now so he pass card give behind MCO. Maybe na the reason abi should don't do another one where we don't know. Where MC come provoke, say I beg this one, I don't fit take am again. Madam, the way you come outside now, they complain, they shout, they blast everybody. It be like say, Oma, you single. You don't join single club. I not just understand. Because see, my people, this thing they very simple. If I am married, I won't put my Peking for school. They say parents must come and do interview. No, where is the problem in that one? I am married or I have a partner. Even if I'm not married, let's just say I have a partner. My partner go follow me now. I be una know the reason the way I the reason now. These people know they tell us something. Something the way they know they tell us. Bring MC outside. Bros. How far now? Waiting they happen. Waiting. See, I be your person. Oh, tell me something. Why you no follow until go to school? Why you no follow? You go tell me after the no problem. If not, you know say I go blast them now. If you know just tell me something nice. You say go tell me after. I go bring am go on side. Una know as we dey do am. This one, no tell anybody, no tell her, no let her know. But I go still, you understand? Because I did show see something they happen. This thing no be normal matter. Something they I be bring auntie. Make her hear from this one side. Maybe she go tell me straight. Auntie, Coco. Ay, Chineke. Why you dey see? Why your blood is hot? Which one be all this one where you just dey blast people, blast. This girl, she sharp, fastest girl when they see like this. So she fast. The only fast girl wey fit collect person number behind back where you no go even know say this one don't collect. This one, auntie faster than shadow. Chai, professionals just full everywhere. Professionals full everywhere. But this will not be something where we even supposed to argue. I get school. I put my rules. You get school, you put your rules. So this school now, they say this is the rules and regulation. So you don't get any choice but to follow up. You either take them or you leave them. You understand? It's very, very simple. And if you don't say, you know if you take this kind of rules, my sister, you don't need to come and shout. No shout. Very simple. Carry your Peking. Take them to where normal schools dey. Our normal schools. You understand? If Ajebo no work for you, Ajepako dey. This life, I don't understand now. People like they stress themselves too much. Don't be by force to go expensive school now. If they don't accept you for that one, you no go put up for another school. You want to be talk of the town. so that when somebody hear where the school your child is going, they will say this one, they will say that one, they will say that one. Funny enough, check all these students where they go this expensive school. They come out blocked. Nothing. Check person where even go public school. If they set question, yeah, you go know who be who. They waste your time. They come outside, they blast people, they look for attention everywhere. I bet my people, now the matter be this so. Wahala for who no get money go expensive school. Start the drop out for that comment section. I know say many of you go tackle me now. But I don't care. I will still reply now one by one, still drop and there. I make sure say you share this video, even as you dey vex with me. Still share, you no go key, you no go do anything, understand? And subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you will miss everything we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story. Onye money marama umbo. Hey, onye money marama umbo. Onye chibiri anane marama. Hey, my people, our number 6, aka Auntie Reggie, she don't carry. Why not they do like this? Which one be we waiting she carry? Why not they do like small children? She don't want the thing. You don't understand? Hey, Baba Ne don't score. I bet for now we don't even know what's in the happen because I know say as I don't talk this all of now I don't open puppy. Because join me, make we watch our number 6.
Respect
Regina is pregnant
actually for a second
pregnant again.
Hey! Una don't see am, una don't, in fact, una don't hear them. They even talking for the video. No, una hear them. Me una not to say, hey, I don't come again, I don't come again. Una hear them, my people. Now wow, this one now, Regina don't come now. She dey come add another badge to the costume where she get already. You understand? You know how if you be uniform person, you don't graduate or you don't do something good, they come put another. She don't add another badge to the costume where they give her before. This one where just happened, it go just increase in rank among the other wives. No more, yeah. In case you don't forget yourself, because before now fresh girl every corner. No more Regina the fresh. Oh, this one now listen very well. You don't join the mamas leagues. You be mama the mamas now. You don't join the other wives. They roll on that lane. So no more freshie. Time don't reach. May Ned bring another fresh blood inside the family. I bet bring our bring our side. Ned, the greatest, the only man that's correct without a mistake. Nigerian King Solomon. Igwe. Hello. I greet you, sir. Person go see you now as you old. You just a deceive us. Person go come to say, nothing they there. They no say you on your own, eh? You be terrorists when it comes to that department. Chai! Hey, make una know they deceive though. These people. This man alone, he waste na fire. He waste they do and he don't do everything. Nigeria number 1 striker. I just say, well, you know that's when this matter reach me. The only thing where I picture now all these football players, how they score, how they in fact, I just now I can't shift the picture is enter bedroom to these people level. I can't understand the whole thing. Only you, Ned, only you. 3 years old. 3 years where you and this girl don't day now. You data. You on in this same 3 years you can't score 2 goals. Well done, sir. Well done, sir. Hey, well done, sir. So I greet you. In fact, my people not be small achievement for this age. No, I know just understand because see, before I don't underestimate all these old men. If I see them, I don't underestimate them. If I see them, I don't underestimate them. I know just number people now. I don't come to the conclusion. Make una no underestimate any or especially all these old politicians. No underestimate them because see. They deliver, they get stamina. No be the kind things where these people they do. You said you go they wonder say I don't know whether they take concussion. I don't know whether they you know say all these old men they like they mix some things. especially the drinks wey they take. I don't dey suspect say they take something because their energy e dey pass for these young boys wey they see. All of una wey no say una be young boy wey una think say una dey do pass for bed. This one, no, this one. In fact, if I wish say I dey ready, I go give Ned award. I go give her award because the kind wonder, signs, wonders, everything. Now so wetin be this one? Ned come outside. He show mole. He come outside. No, according to her, he want prove to the whole wide world. Say in the capable. Say in strong. Say he, because Matarum been dey come that period. Say una remember that youngie dying on the young girl. I bet me we no enter inside that matter. Una remember that period people they talk say the girl dey with her because of his money. He say na lie. You say the girl dey with her because he dey hammer. Now so as people they talk now, he come outside and come say, okay, what I go do now? Make these people believe me. I don't bring a phone and screen. If you now see how this man strong, no be for my mouth to go hear him. For now, we never watch and never hear him before. Join me, make we watch. Oshomole. No, una see him. Oh, I don't think this thing. I feel like say myself, I go. I'm not talking anything. I just say because the energy you are they see. Oh boy, no wonder Regina Dennis, because I don't think say now the toys I been at the because I don't you know say before I been they say Ned no go do where Regina Daniel need one hefty Dracula cobra we go enter the corners of the angles of the circle. Hey, my people, now I don't believe her. No wonder she still there. No wonder she did like she don't stick to the man. Say no matter what, leave her. Ned, now you have confirmed. In fact, you have confirmed to us. Say you get power in abundance. Power day. No be the only one that they talk when they do this. My people. So now, based on my own conclusion, as I don't see this thing like this, guess what? I have decided. Now there will be a challenge. You understand? Now I'm calling on King Solomon of Nigeria, King Solo. I dey call you now. No do like say you no hear me because me and you go get problem. You understand? I don't dey hear you since no for my hand. So you go come out now. Go do the I don't say you don't see video way or Oshomole do. You go do the same thing. Prove to us. Say you know they take concussion. Say you get natural strength. That one way they use handle our number 6. You go do this video. Now the challenge what they give you now King Solo and versus Oshomole. My people, who go win? We go see that one because I know say definitely Ned not the forehand. He go doing you because he go watch me today. And now for you now go still see the outcome, the results. Now what if you never subscribe? I don't know what they do with your phone. I don't know what they use your data do because you go they miss all these plenty things. Start to subscribe now. Click on that bell. If not, you go miss am. My people, start to drop those comments for those comment section because this one is about to go down fire. And make sure say you share this video because Ned must hear me. How you go hear me if you no share am? Good. So start to share am now. Very, very important. Stay tuned for our next story.